Welcome to Algebra and Geometry Explained. In this lesson, we're going to master the skill of adding and subtracting radicals. Let us begin. Example 1. 5 times the square root of 7 plus 3 times the square root of 7. Both terms are like radicals because they share the same square root of 7. Adding the coefficients, 5 plus 3 equals 8. So, 5 times the square root of 7 plus 3 times the square root of 7 is 8 times the square root of 7. Example 2, 6 times the square root of 18 minus 4 times the square root of 18. Since both are like radicals, we subtract the coefficients. 6 minus 4 equals 2. So we have 2 times the square root of 18. Now simplify the square root of 18. The square root of 18 is the square root of 9 times 2. The square root of 9 is 3, so this becomes 3 times the square root of 2. Multiplying 2 times 3 times the square root of 2 gives 6 times the square root of 2. Example 3, 3 times the square root of 20 plus 2 times the square root of 45 minus the square root of 80. First, simplify each radical. The square root of 20 is the square root of 4 times 5. The square root of 4 is 2, so this becomes 2 times the square root of 5. Multiply by 3. 3 times 2 times the square root of 5 equals 6 times the square root of 5. The square root of 45 is the square root of 9 times 5. The square root of 9 is 3. So the square root of 45 becomes 3 times the square root of 5. Multiply by 2. 2 times 3 times the square root of 5 equals 6 times the square root of 5. The square root of 80 is the square root of 16 times 5. The square root of 16 is 4, so the square root of 80 becomes 4 times the square root of 5. Now combine like radicals. 6 times the square root of 5 plus 6 times the square root of 5 minus 4 times the square root of 5. 6 plus 6 minus 4 equals 8. So the final answer is 8 times the square root of 5. Example 4, the square root of 72 plus the square root of 50 plus the square root of 18. Simplify each radical. The square root of 72 is the square root of 36 times 2, which becomes 6 times the square root of 2. The square root of 50 is the square root of 25 times 2, which becomes 5 times the square root of 2. The square root of 18 is the square root of 9 times 2, which becomes 3 times the square root of 2. Now add the coefficients. 6 plus 5 plus 3 equals 14. So the result is 14 times the square root of 2. Example 5, the cube root of y plus 4 times the cube root of 3y minus 2 times the cube root of y. We group the like radicals. The cube root of y and negative 2 times the cube root of y are similar terms. 1 cube root of y minus 2 cube roots of y equals negative 1 cube root of y. So the expression becomes negative 1 cube root of y plus 4 times the cube root of 3y. Since the radicals are not alike, this is the simplified result. Example 6. 3a times the cube root of 32a plus 2 times the cube root of 54a to the 4th power. Let's simplify each term one at a time. First term, the cube root of 32a can be rewritten as the cube root of 8 times 4a. The cube root of 8 is 2, so this becomes 2 times the cube root of 4a. Now multiply by 3a. 3a times 2 times the cube root of 4a equals 6a times the cube root of 4a. Second term, the cube root of 54a to the 4th power can be rewritten as the cube root of 27 times 2a cubed times a. The cube root of 27 is 3, and the cube root of a cubed is a. So this simplifies to 3a times the cube root of 2a. Now multiply by 2. 2 times 3a times the cube root of 2a equals 6a times the cube root of 2a. Final expression, 6a times the cube root of 4a plus 6a times the cube root of 2a. Since the radicals are not alike, this is the simplified result. That is how we add and subtract radicals. Combine like radicals and leave unlike ones as they are. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to Algebra and Geometry Explained.